Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you top 5 best incredible apps for your Samsung Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, number 1, iPhone settings. Guys, with this app you experience iPhone settings on your Galaxy device. Look at this. This is complete iPhone settings on your Galaxy device. If I tap display and brightness, look at this. This is directly send system display settings. Look at this, all apps, Bluetooth. Look at this, Wi-Fi. This is complete UI of iPhone settings. You also change your profile picture. Look at this. You also set name. Look at this, completely like iPhone. Number 2, new control center. Guys, look at this, new control center enable on your Galaxy device. This is really amazing. Guys, for turn on, simply set all permissions. After set all permissions, set your panel position and you also change new themes. Look at this, many different themes available on this control center. Simply tap and apply. Look at this, new control center on your Galaxy device. Number 3, dark glass widgets. I add analog clock widget on my home screen and many people ask me about my widgets. Then look at this. This is dark glass widgets. Guys, all categories available on these dark glass widgets. Look at this, calculator, analog clock, digital clock. All categories available on this app. If you go to digital clock, look at this, many beautiful digital clocks available on this app. This is dark glass clocks. Google search bar. Many different widgets available on this dark glass widget. Next, paper wall. Guys, this is best app for wallpapers. Look at these, many beautiful wallpapers on these paper walls. And look at this, all categories like abstract, AI, animals, all categories available on this app. Simply tap and set home screen and lock screen. Look at this. Set wallpaper, home screen and lock screen. This is best wallpaper app for your Galaxy device. And last, guys, snake wall. Look at this. This is live wallpaper. Guys, this is game live wallpaper. Look at this. Snake game on this live wallpaper. Simply start and this is snake game like Nokia 1100. Simply set as wallpaper and you also play this game on your home screen. Simply tap on start and look at this. Guys, if you go to setting, you also set themes dark and light mode. Look at this. Let me show you more setting. Look at this. You also set grid and vibration feedback. So guys, this is 5 incredible apps for your Galaxy device. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.